Today, we will show you how to craft a wooden chessboard with its pieces. Follow each step to create a unique, handcrafted chess set. We have chosen two contrasting types of wood for a striking visual effect. You will need wood glue, a saw, a planer, and various finishing tools. Cut 32 squares from each type of wood. Each square should be approximately 5 centimeters on each side. Arrange the squares in alternating colors, apply glue, and press them together with clamps for a perfect bond. Add a frame to reinforce and enhance the chessboard. Use wood of the same type or a contrasting one for a stylish effect. Once the glue has dried, sand the entire surface to achieve a smooth finish. Then, apply varnish or oil to protect the wood and enhance its natural colors. Each piece is turned from a wooden cylinder, carefully shaped to create its unique form. Knights require special attention. Their distinct shape is achieved through precise hand carving. To distinguish the white and black pieces, we apply a suitable stain before varnishing them for protection. And there you have it, our handcrafted chess set is ready. A unique, handmade game perfect for unforgettable matches.